A tiny porch, often overlooked and underappreciated, has the potential to become an enchanting extension of your home. It's a space that can reflect your personality, serve as a cozy retreat, or even become a vibrant social hub. With a little creativity and thoughtful planning, you can transform your small porch into a stylish oasis that invites relaxation and enjoyment. Here are some ideas to inspire your makeover. First, consider the color palette. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders for any space, and your porch is no exception. Light, airy colors can make a small area feel larger and more inviting. Soft pastels, crisp whites, or even cheerful yellows can brighten the area and create a welcoming atmosphere. If you prefer something bolder, consider an accent wall with a vibrant hue or patterned wallpaper designed for outdoor use. This splash of color can serve as a focal point and set the tone for the rest of your decor. Next, think about flooring. If your porch is currently bare or has seen better days, updating the flooring can significantly enhance its appeal. Outdoor rugs are an excellent option, adding warmth and comfort while defining the space. Choose a rug with a fun pattern or bright colors to inject personality. If you want a more permanent solution, consider painting the existing floor with outdoor safe paint or laying down interlocking deck tiles for a fresh, polished look. Furniture selection is crucial in maximizing the functionality of your tiny porch. Opt for multifunctional pieces that serve more than one purpose. A small bistro table with folding chairs can provide a perfect spot for morning coffee or evening cocktails without taking up too much space. Look for furniture that is lightweight and easy to move, allowing you to rearrange as needed. If you have the room, a compact love seat or a couple of cozy chairs can create a perfect nook for reading or relaxing. Don't forget to incorporate cushions in weather-resistant fabrics to add comfort and style. Vertical space is often underutilized in small porches. Take advantage of this by adding shelves or hanging planters. Wall-mounted shelves can display potted plants, books, or decorative items, infusing your porch with greenery and personal touches. Hanging planters can also draw the eye upward, adding visual interest and making the space feel larger. Consider cascading plants like pothos or ferns that will create a lush, inviting environment. If you're feeling adventurous, you might even install a vertical garden, which can serve as a stunning centerpiece and a conversation starter. Lighting is another essential element in creating an inviting atmosphere. Soft, warm lighting can transform your porch into a magical retreat after sunset. String lights, lanterns, or even solar-powered garden lights can add charm and warmth. If you have overhead lighting, consider replacing it with a stylish fixture that complements your decor. For a more intimate setting, candles or battery-operated lanterns can provide a cozy glow, perfect for evening gatherings or quiet moments alone. Accessorizing your porch is where your personality can truly shine. Incorporate elements that reflect your style and interests. A small side table can hold your favorite books or a collection of interesting stones or seashells. Decorative pillows with fun patterns can add color and comfort, while a throw blanket can make the space feel homey. If you enjoy entertaining, consider a small bar cart stocked with your favorite drinks and glassware. This not only adds functionality, but also serves as a decorative piece. Don't overlook the importance of greenery. Plants can breathe life into any space, and a tiny porch is no exception. Choose a mix of flowering plants, foliage, and herbs to create a vibrant display. If you're short on floor space, vertical planters or wall-mounted pots can help you incorporate greenery without crowding the area. Consider low-maintenance plants if you're not an experienced gardener. Succulents and hardy perennials can thrive with minimal care. The presence of plants not only beautifies the space, but also creates a calming environment. If your porch has a railing, consider enhancing it with decorative elements. Stringing lights along the railing can add a festive touch, while hanging lanterns can create a charming ambiance. You might even attach small planters to the railing to further incorporate greenery without taking up floor space. If you're feeling crafty, consider painting the railing in a bold color to make a statement. Creating a cozy atmosphere is essential for making your tiny porch a retreat. Consider adding a small fire pit or a tabletop heater for cooler evenings, allowing you to enjoy the space year-round. If your porch is covered, you can also add outdoor curtains to create a sense of privacy and shelter, making the area feel like a true escape. These curtains can be drawn back during the day to let in light or closed at night for a more intimate setting. Lastly, don't forget the importance of personal touches. This is your space, and it should reflect who you are. Incorporate artwork, family photos, or handmade crafts to make the area feel uniquely yours. A small chalkboard can serve as a fun way to display quotes or messages, adding a personal touch that changes with your mood. In conclusion, transforming your tiny porch into a stylish and functional space is entirely achievable with a little creativity and effort. By focusing on color, furniture, lighting, greenery, and personal touches, you can create an inviting retreat that enhances your home and enriches your life. Whether it becomes a serene reading nook, a vibrant social space, or a cozy escape, your tiny porch can be a reflection of your style and a cherished part of your home. Embrace the possibilities and let your imagination guide you in this delightful makeover journey.